The Internet of Things is a big driver in everyday objects becoming smarter and more connected. IoT refers to a network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. The Industrial Internet of Things takes this concept further by applying IoT technologies to industrial and manufacturing processes. It can connect machines, sensors, and devices in industries like manufacturing, construction, and logistics, allowing for advanced data analytics and operation automation, especially for transportation businesses. Thanks to IoT technology, fleet management and telematics are experiencing a real digital revolution. IoT devices provide live data on vehicle locations, speed, and routes, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. Sensors monitor vehicle health and performance, predicting maintenance needs before issues become critical, reducing downtime and repair costs. IoT-enabled telematics systems track driver behavior, providing insights into risky driving patterns and promoting safer practices. Automating routine tasks like fuel monitoring, route optimization, and asset tracking lets you spend time and resources more efficiently. With the vast amount of data collected, fleet managers can analyze trends and patterns to keep improving business, strategy, and fleet performance. Want to know how Mapon uses IoT to power cutting-edge fleet management solutions? Check out our YouTube channel for more fleet management content or visit mapon.com for a full solution offer.